In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain name with web hosting on GoDaddy in 2025. Whether you're launching a new website or simply making some updates, connecting your domain to your web hosting is a crucial step. I'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring it's as seamless and straightforward as possible. First, let's start by accessing your GoDaddy account. Head over to the GoDaddy website and log in using your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. This dashboard is where you manage all your GoDaddy products, including domains and hosting services. If you're unsure where to find it, look for a section that says My Products, or simply use the search bar to locate your domain list. Next, you want to locate the DNS management or name server settings associated with your domain. Typically, you'll find this option in your domain management area. Look for a button or link that mentions either DNS or Manage DNS. This will lead you to the settings where you can configure your domain to connect with your hosting server. Once you're in the DNS management section, search for the name server settings. These are usually displayed prominently, and you may need to scroll down a bit depending on the layout of the page. It might be labeled as name servers or something similar. This section is key because it's where you'll input the information needed to connect your domain to your hosting account. Now, it's time to update the name servers. To do this, you need the name server details from your hosting provider. These details were likely sent to you in a welcome email when you first signed up for hosting, or they can be found within your hosting account. Go ahead and enter these new name servers in the designated fields within your GoDaddy account. If there is an option to choose between default and custom, make sure to select custom before entering the new details. After you've input the new name servers, ensure you save your changes. It might take a few moments, and you might even get a confirmation message letting you know that the change is in process. Be patient. These changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours to propagate fully across the internet, depending on your hosting provider. Finally, verify the connection has been made successfully. This can be done by entering your domain into a web browser and checking if it directs to your new hosting account. Alternatively, you can use online tools that check DNS settings to confirm everything is set up correctly. And that's it. You've successfully connected your domain name to your GoDaddy hosting account. Remember, this setup is foundational for your website's presence, and it's always a good idea to double check everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, refer back to your hosting provider's support page or reach out to their support team for assistance. Congratulations, you're well on your way to building a great online experience.